Hey, welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today I have this beautiful 2025 Sea Ray SPX 210 to show you. This particular boat's the stern drive variant, finished in the white exterior color. We've done the dune interior on this boat and the black powder-coated water sports tower. This is an amazing boat to get out on the water, very easily trailerable, and one of Sea Ray's best sellers. Let's climb aboard and check out some of the interior features on this boat. Something I want to notice right before we step aboard is this boat is equipped with the optional in-water swim seat. This flips down when the boat is in the water. It's a great place to hang out and get on and off the boat from. Just next to that, you do have a hatch right here with a 4-step telescoping stainless steel ladder. So you've got a lot of options back on the transom here of this stern drive model. Climbing aboard, I mentioned this boat has the dune interior. I've also optioned this one with the sea deck throughout. Got it on the swim platform in the back here, of course, as you see. And then you're gonna have it in the cockpit following through with the same pattern. As you walk through the boat, you're gonna notice there's a lot of storage on this boat. Got a nice little hatch in here. Got another hatch under this walk-through here, under my feet, and a very large center locker here in the middle of the boat. Great place to store tubes and skis and things like that. You see we've got the factory cover in here right now. This is going to be the only layout available for the new model SPX series. It's a very customizable layout that you see here. The captain's going to have a bucket seat, and your co-captain's going to have a 2-position lounger here. It goes in either direction. You do have a little space for a cooler under here, and this whole seat is removable if you wanted to pull it out. Got lots of seating back here, especially for a 21-foot boat. You can comfortably fit 6 to 8 people on this boat, and it is rated for 12 total, so those big days out on the water, you certainly are gonna have plenty of room to have your friends and family out with you. Over at the helm, this boat's got a Simrad NSX screen that you see here equipped. We've also done the Fusion audio head unit paired with the Fusion stereo throughout the boat. We've got a handful of manual controls for your lights, your horn, your bilge pump, things like that, as well as USB chargers here and throughout the rest of the boat. Coming through the windshield here, got a lot of space up here at the bow for storage. This boat has a dedicated anchor locker as well, right up on the nose here. Got stainless steel cleats throughout here. We've got cup holders at the bow as well. And another great thing on the subject of storage we talked about earlier, you do have nice storage underneath all of these seats here. You can pull these out super easily. Store some life jackets, dock lines, and things just like that up under here. That's been a quick overview of this 2025 Sea Ray SPX 210. This is a pretty well equipped example we've got here at our Lake Norman store. If you want to check this one out or explore any others, give us a call, check us out at MarineMax.com, or stop by, we'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.